Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday morning. It's cold out there. It's really cold out there. Last night, I had leftover cowboy stew and I dressed it up a little differently. The sour cream added just a nice little, Yesterday, I had a contractor come through the house and he looked at the kitchen and he's like, you really know how to cook. But then he kept on commenting outside that the house smelled really, really good. So I explained to him what I had cooked the night before, the cowboy stew. So then when he came back through the house to leave, he actually walked through the kitchen very slowly. And he was just like, oh, you could pay me in your stew. I said, maybe we can. Tonight, I'm doing something that I've been looking very forward to since I found this recipe a few weeks ago. Green pea and potato curry. Let me read you the description. I don't save all descriptions. A simple, hearty dish that brings warmth to your table. This green pea and potato curry is a celebration of traditional Indian flavors. The balance of soft potatoes and sweet peas in a spiced tomato-based curry creates a perfect dish for vegetarians and curry enthusiasts alike. Ideal for weeknights. As you know, I'm a big fan of Indian fare. Robin made a comment on our date night that basically this dish is deconstructed samosas. I think she nailed it right on the head. Yeah, so let's get to it. Got the good old Dutch oven. Yep, Dutch oven night. Of course, there's potatoes, green peas, onion, garlic, tomatoes, and we'll have a little bit of kosher salt, some ghee. I probably have to run over to LA Market, or LA Merchandise actually, and pick up some more ghee, some veggie stock, and for the spices, there's turmeric, which is very common, some chili powder, cumin seed, ground cumin, ground coriander, my garam masala that I blend. There's some ginger and some cilantro for garnish. So here's all the goodies for tonight's deconstructed samosas. I'm diligently working on the next phase or the next page of the Casual Chef website. Yes, book sales are going really well. It's nice to see that if the people are picking up Soup Symphony and they're also picking up Recipes or Just a Guideline. You can get those either through the link that I have provided people for Amazon, or you can go directly to the website and just click on the book covers. They'll take you right to Amazon. All right, on this Tuesday, probably Taco Tuesday for some of you, but not me. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.